Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create a really cool mind reveal animations in CapCut, where the heads open up and pictures or video pop out just like a creative thought animations. Okay, let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then create new projects and then import the main photo or video of your face like this. Make sure it's centered on the screen with a simple background for best results. Next, just duplicate your photo or your face clip like this and then position it like this. Next, just use mask tool. Choose rectangle mask and adjust it so it only shows the top part of the head. This will act as a lid like this. And then on another clip use mask tool again and then choose rectangle again and then cover the rest of the face. And when combined it looks like the head can open up like this. Like this. And then select on the top lid clip and then go to keyframes and then add keyframes at the beginning and then one in the middle and one at the end like this. And then at the middle keyframes, drag the clip slightly upward. This creates an effect of the head opening up and then it will closing again by the end like this. And now let's add the thoughts. Just tap on overlay and then insert your pictures or videos and then place them below the head lid and scale them down so they're hidden at first like this. And then go to layer and then position it like this. Like this. And then add keyframes at the start, middle, and end of the overlay. And then at the middle keyframe, just zoom them in or move them upward so it looks like the thoughts are popping out of your head. For example like this. So your video will look like this. Like this. And okay, that's it. You just created a head opening mind reveal animations in CapCut. Super creative and perfect for edits or aesthetic reels. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.